What if an SUV could redefine luxury, power, and efficiency in one bold package? Buckle up, because the 2026 Renault Koleos is here to shake up the game. Welcome to New Car, where we dive into the hottest cars of the future. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our car-loving crew. The 2026 Renault Koleos, unveiled as the Renault Grand Koleos, is a total reinvention. Built on Geely's cutting-edge CMA platform, it's a fusion of French flair and global tech. The exterior screams confidence with a sleek, frameless grille, sharp LED lights, and bold 20-inch alloys. It's bigger too, with a longer wheelbase for a commanding road presence. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Under the hood, the Koleos delivers. The base Techno trim rocks a 2.0-liter turbo engine with 215 horsepower and a slick 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, hitting 0 to 60 in 8.8 seconds with up to 17.2 kilometers per liter efficiency. But the real star? The Esprit Alpine hybrid, blending a 1.5-liter turbo with electric motors for a combined 241 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 21.1 kilometers per liter. Whether you're cruising the city or hitting the highway, the Koleos balances power and eco-smarts like a champ. Step inside, and it's a tech paradise. Three 12.3-inch panoramic screens dominate the cabin, one for the driver, one for infotainment, and one just for your passenger to stream Prime Video or Apple TV via Bluetooth. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bose sound system with active noise cancellation make every drive feel like a concert. Add 29 advanced driver aids, like a head-up display and lane keeping assist, and you've got a cockpit that's as safe as it is futuristic. Starting at $37,000 for the Techno and $43,000 for the hybrid Esprit Alpine, the Koleos undercuts rivals like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and VW Tiguan while offering premium vibes. It's a bold move from Renault's Renault strategy, and it's already turning heads in Mexico and South Korea. But here's the twist: could this hybrid tech hint at Renault's electrified future? Stick around to the end. The 2026 Renault Koleos is a knockout: style, tech, and efficiency in one sleek package. What do you think? Does it outshine the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a like, and subscribe to New CR for more epic reviews. Share this with your car-obsessed friends, and let's hit 1,000 subs. See you on the road.